Got some seeded bread and some focaccia, fresh baked bread at the Edinburgh Castle Farmers Market, which I'm lucky enough to be here at the right time to experience it. Let's see how it tastes. Sunflower seeds. I love them on bread. So delicious.
Bye-bye. No, I've got oat, soy, or coconut. Put the jacket. If you want to put the jacket on, you can. That's an exact replica that was given to me by Brian May and Roger Taylor as a thank you for all the fundraising I do for the trust.
Oh my gosh! The Mercury Phoenix Trust fighting AIDS worldwide, and tomorrow would have been what?
Freddie's 75th.
75th birthday.
Yep.
Wow.
So today, 30 pence from every cup I sell and £2.50 from every bag I sell. I'm donating to the Mercury Phoenix Trust.
Well, thank you.
Cash or card?
Cash.
That's £3 exactly, please. Thank you very much.
Make it 5, and so we can donate some to the Freddie Mercury Phoenix Phoenix
There you
Trust.
go, fantastic, and I'll stick the change in there. Thanks very much.
Alright, awesome.
There we go, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Devil's Bean Coffee.
No, with this, there's no point with this coffee. This is my signature roast Cuban I'm using in the machine today. I'm the only
So
guy
good.
in the UK that does it.
This is the Afghan needle, commemorating the Anglo-Afghan War in 1878. They won 4 battle honors before winning this war. And they call Afghanistan the graveyard of empires, and here you go. This just shows another empire. I'm standing here in front of Edinboro Castle. This is the most besieged place in all of Britain, being besieged 26 times throughout history, and this is one of the most attacked places in all of the world. I am standing in the Edinburgh Castle. If you see in the front of the castle, there are 2 statues. One of them is the great Robert the Bruce, which you probably have heard about in many Scottish tales. And the other one is William Wallace, which if you watch movies, you probably know who these two guys are. Here's the portcullis. This is held up by a single thread and it could fall on me at any second. And this is to keep out enemies from this amazing fortress castle. Whoa. This is the Argyle Battery, which these defenses were ordered by General Wade, the famous for his military roads and bridges in the Highlands. The guns are 18-pounders made in 1810. When I was climbing up this lava plug to Castle Rock, to Edinburgh Castle, I heard a big boom, and I was like, whoa, what was that? And at 1 o'clock every single day, except for Sundays, they shoot these guns to signal to the ships a time at 1 o'clock. Every day except for Sunday. This is the governor's house, built in 1742. Originally governor's house, but now, because this is an active military base, this is the officers' mess. This is the active headquarters of the Scottish soldiers, the Dragoon Guards. You can just walk really close up, which is kind of surprising. In America, there would be like a million barriers between any active headquarter, official guard place, but I guess people are a little bit more relaxed here. This is what they would look like. I love the outfits. This is the Fugs Gate, built by King Charles II during the 17th century. You can see the original volcanic rock in which this was built upon, and you can feel it, but you can't climb it. No climbing.